Hey, it's BuyBlock Computer Services. Welcome back to the channel. And today we'll be going over how to restore a deleted file using OneDrive Online. So let's jump right in. So your first thing you want to do is open a web browser. I'm using Google Chrome. When the web browser opens, you want to type in OneDrive.com. When you get there, you'll see this home page and you want to select on this blue button that says sign in. Once you're all signed in, it'll take you to your OneDrive. And this is what you'll see. This is my OneDrive. It has a few files in here, but what we want to do is restore a deleted file, right? So I'm going to go on the left hand side. You see where it says recycling bin? This is where all the deleted files go. I'm going to select that. And this is the file that I want to restore. So you have this option on top. Say if you have a long list of items in here and you don't want to do it one by one, you can press this button, restore all items, but I'm just focusing on this document right here. I'm going to hover my mouse over it, not click, just hover my mouse over it. And I'm going to select these three dots so I can see some more actions. And here we are. There's a option to delete it forever, or you can press restore. I'm going to press restore. And you get a small notification here letting you know that OneDrive restored one item. I want to check just to make sure that item is back in my file. So I'm going to go over here to this menu on the left hand side, select my files, and what we're looking for is document 1. It's not here yet. No worries. That's okay. I'm going to refresh my browser just to see if that does anything. So I'm going over to the top left. I'm going to refresh the page and let's check again. Bam, right here, document 1.